This hangover is dealing with me. You know, decisively, yes, sis. And then on top of that, I fucking asked for a leg portion. This is my first meal of the day, and it's not a leg portion. Nando's, fuck you. I thought maybe my nigga's meal would have a leg portion. I was gonna take it. He doesn't have a leg portion either. What the fuck am I supposed to do with fucking breast? I hate chicken breast. I hate white meat. First meal of the day. I know, guys, I need to sleep. I need to sleep. This hangover is handling me. Actually, I'm not even hungover. I'm just fucking tired. Tomorrow, I'm waking up at 2 p.m. I don't want to hear it. This is the worst. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Still going out tonight. Found out that the event actually ends at 10. They only told him today. I mean, they only told him like 3-4 hours ago that he was supposed to play at 5. Just I don't know. Either way, he's at work, so no. Not shit is for chicken man stuff. Honestly, truly, I'm probably gonna have to order something else because I'm not gonna eat enough for it to really make me feel better. First meal of the fucking day. Okay, not first meal. I had those prawns earlier, but I'm not okay, guys. Yo, like, this hangover is painful. Actually, like I said, I'm not even that hungover. I'm just fucking exhausted. Like, my eyes hurt. And we still gonna fucking go out. That's the problem. Like, not out, but like, we told someone they could come with us to the gig, and now the gig's not happening, so we gonna go out with that person regardless. Yo. Grandpa. No, I actually forgot the grandpa. I just took another Compro, but damn. Activated charcoal system. Nothing can help me. I don't think I'm hanging. Like I said, I'm just fucking tired. If I had to put my head on a pillow now, I'd pass out. But you know what the problem is? You've created a fucking dependency in me where I actually don't sleep grand if I'm not sleeping next to you. So it's like, I know if I go and try sleep, I'm not gonna sleep the way. I need to wait. Yo, 10 o'clock is so far. Then there's still travel time. Okay, no, travel time's not that bad. But fuck me. Yo. Just say no. Yeah, I'm gonna actually have to say, dude, tell this guy that we can't go out. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired. Yo. I'm even wearing shorts. That's how you know I don't care. I got home. My mom was like, oh, nice to have you home. I was like, I'm packing a bag and I'm out again. Like, bye-bye. Just like, tell them you're on your period's trend. That's what girls use as an excuse always. First of all, I am on my period. Second of all, the person is here. The person that we're supposed to go out with is here. So he is expecting for us to go out. He even invited a honey that's here that he just met, and he was like, yeah, I invited her out with us. I'm like, yo, not be disappointing you and the honey. I don't even know this honey. Now she's gonna be there with me and my dude, and she knows me because when I walked past her this morning, she's like, you're so pretty, Shamiso. And I was like, oh, thank you. Now she's in my business. Now yo, he's already there, dude. And it's my fault because I invited him to when I thought we were going to the gig. Now the gig is not happening. So I say to homie, yeah, but I've already told this, this person was excited. So he goes, okay, no, then we can still go out for drinks. Then this person tells me, yeah, you see that girl? Yeah, I invited her, so she's gonna come with us. What? What do you mean? We don't even know her. Gonna have to make small talk now. You know what I mean? Like, no one. I'm cooked. And the minute homie said, no, we could still go out for drinks, I actually should have gone back to other homie and said, we're not going to the gig anymore, and shut up. But no, I was there like, yeah, we're gonna go out for drinks. Now he's waiting, saying, what time is he coming back? Ugh. I can't do it. I quit. I actually quit. Like, I even put mousse on my hair. It's starting to look crazy again. I couldn't find my red lip liner, so I couldn't even do my lips how I usually do them. Wait, what happened? Now small talking with the honey, and like, I always have to be overly friendly and interested in people because that nigga doesn't know how to pretend. He'll be quiet just looking at you. And it's like, dude, can you at least act like you give a fuck? Nope. I'm telling to get to know each other alone. Honestly, why are you inviting people? What did you even say? I'm going out with that girl and that guy. Luckily, the place is walking distance. If we're there for longer than an hour, I'm walking back. I can't believe, and I wanted to sleep. I didn't even get to sleep. I was on live, then I went home. Then I was at home for like 2 hours. I showered, I was packing a bag, and I was on the phone with Sandy, so that was slowing me down. And then I come back, and Nando's didn't even give me a fucking leg portion. What the fuck? And I wanted a fucking chicken from here, but the kitchen's closed. Oh. You started it, Shams. We heard you earlier. I know it's my fault, but I also thought I would feel better by now because I thought I would have napped. I was thinking, yeah, the whole blackout accidentally on purpose. I need to black out. So in case you be like, how is she? And gets the room knocked out. I just want to lay in bed and watch Joseph Diary. He actually sent a video to Joseph the other day, a video of us saying, Daffrey, because he calls him Daffrey. I don't know why. Okay, I know why. He was drunk and he kept saying Daffrey, and I'm like, it's Dari. He'd be like, what does Daffrey mean? What's Daffrey? I'm like, nigga. Anyway, sent him a video saying Daffrey with both of us. Yeah, we love watching your YouTube. Come to Hip Hop Flow, get content. I need to know if Daffrey responded. I love Joseph Dari. That's what I want to do. I want to lay in bed and watch Joseph Dari. On my period. I don't have the energy for all this nonsense, man. Now they must be tequila shots. No. But now we can't disappoint this guy that I invited. Angiko writes, guys, yo, I just did my face and it doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup. Imagine if he came to the event. Yeah, he must come and make people exchange phones there at Hip Hop. I'm kidding. Yo, that would have actually been a fucking movie. That would have been dope. I wear Papa, because why did you do that? Let me tell you, guys, let me explain. Like I said, in the morning, I was told that, listen, after Spun, we have to shift somewhere else. We're going to this event. I said, okay, cool. That's late. I'm going to rest the whole day. Then I fucking procrastinated going home because of you motherfuckers on this fucking live. So I just took long. Now, we're not going to the event, but I've already invited someone. So now this person is expecting a night out. What must I do? And the thing is, we owe him, because there's a time we went out and I told the guy, I said to this person, like, yo, you're gonna join us. And then I got fucked. So I didn't message him to join us. Do you know what I mean? And he always wants to come out with us. You heard on the live, he was like, yo, you going out tonight? Let's go. Please, can I come? So now we have to do something. Oh, thank you. Yo. The person must sleep. He's not gonna sleep. He's waiting. He's like, I'm off the clock. When are we shifting? Yes, sis. And 10 o'clock is still 40 minutes away. What is the distance from here to Span? Okay, at least Span is like 7 minutes away. But 10 o'clock is still fucking far. Must I take a power nap? Yo, but if I sleep, I won't want to get up. That's my problem. I know if I sleep, I'm just gonna be like, nah. Good to you guys no longer going. I did, but instead of being like, listen, change of plans, maybe another time, I was like, change of plans, but we're still gonna go out. Now he's invited that random ass honey. Yes, no offense, I don't have a problem with it, but I also just don't have the energy to be talking to someone new. Do you know what I mean? Like, now I must ask, oh, how old are you? Oh, what are you doing here? Oh, are you in a relationship? Oh. Yo, your own grave, yeah. I know, I should have just said we're not going anymore. And then homie was like, yeah, we can go out if he wants to go out, but if he doesn't want to go out, we can just chill there. But this nigga wants to go out. Do you know what I mean? Mixing the honeys on the live. Ish, no shade to you, mama. I just don't have energy. You know what I'm saying? Like, can we sleep and then do brunch tomorrow? Like, can we go for brunch? Like, fuck, man. I'm fucking tired. It's just fucking hard, dog. Your father must understand. Like, I'm so tired. Let's go. What could go wrong? But then if I, you know when you like so tired that like if you drink, you're not even going to get like tipsy. You're just gonna get fucking drunk. Like, I can already tell. Like, I felt drunk the whole day. I know if I drink, I'm gonna have to drink to stay awake. But if I drink, I know I'm going to get fried. You know what I mean? Let's go. The night will be over before you know it. You're funugla like Konamanje. Go for now, then say you don't feel well. Don't go. Ebana. Don't go. There's clear not understanding in this instance. No, truly. I don't even know how that nigga's at work. I don't even know how he's alive. Because if I had to spam today, I'm falling off the bone. Do you know what I mean? Postpone the outing. I literally can't. This person's going to be so disappointed. And this person does us a lot of favors. Do you know what I mean? I'm very big on... I actually manage this homie's relationships with the people in his life. Because I'm always like, nah, we have to do this. This person did this first. This person did this. We have to. Even if we're tired, whatever, I'm like, we have to show up. You know? So this guy's going to be disappointed. He loves to come out. All he wants to do is come out with us. You know what I mean? Tell them you feel COVID-ish. Those exact terms are what? So Rockstar, remember, allegedly. I just want to put my bonnet on. Where's my bonnet? Oh, it's in the car. I just want to put my bonnet on. get into bed, put the extra blanket on the duvet, and just be under. You know those ones where you even in and out of sleep, like you dozing off, and then you wake up, and then you're watching what you're watching, and then you're dozing off again. He'll come out with you guys in December. If this is already my life, I don't even want to see December. I don't want to see December. December's going to finish me. I might not make it to Jan, guys. Not in the sense that I'll die. God forbid. Touch wood. But I don't know how I'm going to deal with December. Like, as it is, why am I liking things next week? Going to PNB for a gig. What am I doing in PNB for some shit that has nothing to do with me? Nah, I've never been this hungover so frequently in my life. Living this rockstar life is not for me. I don't know how these motherfuckers do it. Fuck them. Truly, you've been rocking. It's not for me, guys. I don't go out. I don't live like this. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how these motherfuckers do it. So just rock. And the fact that you have to rock. I know some people that are like disciplined, you know what I mean? That like are like, yeah, because I have to do this so often, I actually don't drink. You know what I mean? But this rock star, he's built different. I literally call him Ozzy Osbourne because I'm like, you're a rock star. I don't know how you do it. Like, what the fuck? You're a road manager at this point. I literally am. That's what I'm saying. I need to start getting paid for this shit. Because what the fuck? Hey, bana. Then you're there. You need to support. So now you've been sitting the whole time. But when it's time, you're there. You're vibing. Honestly, I'm praying for the separation anxiety to go away so that I can actually start being like, nah, you go. I'll see you later. Like, I think every day their bodies are conditioned for this. They are built fucking not Ozzy Osbourne. No, just because like that's a rock star that I know. I don't really know other rock stars. You know what I mean? But no, like I said, a lot of them actually don't make like that much. Do you know what I mean? Because it's just like if we drink at all the shows that we have to do, your life is going to be a constant state of hangover. Do you know what I mean? But then there's some that are okay to rock, and I'm like, I think they take vitamin B supplements. I think they fucking cooked, dude. I honestly think they're cooked. Because what the hell? Like, this is not normal. The bartender better not leave you. I don't know. Maybe I need to have a fucking Jaeger bomb. Alright, after 3 months, I'll see each other less frequently. I don't think so. Like I said, this is not our first. It's always been like this. Always been the type that's like, come with me here, come with me there, come with me. Do you know what I mean? Like, I've gone to work with them. They've come to work with me. You know what I mean? Well, not with me, not inside work, but chilled in the car while I was at work. Do you know what I mean? So that's just how, how the cookie crumbles. But yeah, very, very tight ass bitch I am. Like, you know what would get me alive? Going to the strip club. That I can do. Let's fucking go to the strip club, man. The only problem is, I think I should launch that idea. And yeah, I think I should launch that idea. The strip club, nothing brings me more alive than seeing bums. So, let's do it. You know what I mean? Let us do it. Yeah, I'm not even eating my food. It's getting cold. No. That I can do. So someone brought me a power bank yesterday. Now they're asking for it. And I'm like, I swear I gave it back. Because if I didn't give it back, then you're Askies, I don't have it. I don't really lose things. So I'm like, no, I definitely gave it back. Yeah. Talking that sharp right checkers. My impact is something you can't measure. 30 minutes, god damn it. And like I said, if I go inside the room, no one's gonna see me. Thank you. You should have taken a nap during this time, eh? Dude, I just got back here from home. I don't know what the fuck I was doing at home. I was in the fucking Twilight Zone. Then I couldn't find the bag that I wanted to use. And then I'm packing and I'm trying to think, what should I pack? Yo. I could have been sleeping the whole day. That's the thing. If I just woke up and went home immediately and came back, I would have been sleeping the whole fucking day. But no, Shamiso likes to think she can push. Shamiso thinks she can, you know? But I think the reason I don't even try sleep is when I'm hanging, I actually really struggle to sleep. Like, I'm tired, but trust me, if I get into bed now, I'm not going to be able to sleep. Especially gunman, no. I need to feel some body temperature, do you know what I mean? I need to feel the warmth. I need to feel, baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get at you, the stranger it feels, yeah. Why am I always using my lip liner? Fuck y'all, honestly. Where the fuck is my red lip liner? That's the second one I fucking bought. Man or woman? I might get one more shot. This might just be your 9th round. Girl, you know damn well I don't wanna leave this club. 'Cause you got someone at your house, so I can't stay long. Until you have the liking, right? It's for yo. Never again. But also, I think now that I'm on my cycle, remember I told you guys that like I struggle to sleep when my period is coming. There's always one night where I just cannot sleep. So I think it was that night, because now that I'm on my cycle, it all makes sense why I couldn't sleep. But the roaring was also fucking annoying. Like I said, there's nothing more annoying than sleeping next to a nigger, like, when he's drunk. Thank you. You said you don't use stuff often with the blindness now? Yes. Why are you checking me right now? Why are you pulling out receipts? Can I have a Jaeger bomb, please? Can I have a Jaeger bomb? It's not a cocktail, though. It's Red Bull and a Jaeger. Like, what's your problem? Sorry, this guy's been giving me an attitude the whole fucking day. The black One Piece. What black One Piece? What got in? Which one? What are you talking about? They're saying that thing I was reading the other day. From Fashion Nova. Am I hearing correctly? How, Alex? Is this you playing? Oh, you know. Sorry. Mayo. I'm addicted to this mayo. Anyway, I just had to make sure I was hearing correctly. With them words like Paulo Coelho. I see they trying to play me like a cello. But it's cool. Watch me switch up that tempo. I'm talking. Do you use Somnol sometimes? I actually do. That's actually the best sleeping pill that I have besides my antidepressants. I need to go buy more. Alex knows the vibes. Oh, I don't dance. I do the diva dance. This was a good time because when this dropped, that's when we, and then like I said, I was there under merch. It was fun for a little bit. Alex, I can see you on my live, nigga. Let's have a shot. Come on now. Cause I know that shit gon' pay off. Mayo. I'm addicted to this mayo. Made it on sip. Man, I don't rest. Know some rappers that can't pay the business, man, so I don't trip when they pay no respect. You can't afford me. Cannot ignore me. Oh, yeah, I'm back then, goddamn. He cried. I don't know. I don't know. Do I miss my teen days? No. Also, that nigga's full of shit. You know, there was a time when I was under this distance. And now, mind you, this distance is new. Do you know what I mean? Like, this distance is a new thing. Right? And mind you, he had seen the tattoo I had on the side of my face. So he was like, please don't tell me that says what I think it says. Is that your ex's name? So I was like, yeah. Then we at Groove. You know what I mean? We vibing. My ex hypotheticals crashing the fuck out, texting me, yeah, you think I don't have eyes on you? You know, I know you at the club with niggas. I said, eat it. Fuck you. Anyway. So we go after that we go to the garage. We go get food. Right? Then I bump into allegedly there at the till. And allegedly he's drunk talking that ShopRite checker saying to me, how come you never got my name tatted when we were together? Oh my god, I also want to get my name tatted. First of all, mind you, this is like a sore spot for this distance. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not a nice thing. Do you know what I mean? Like, and I'm planning to get it covered up. He's there, yeah, you never got my name. Just yapping. Yo, this distance was like, dude, what's up with this cat? What's going on? Do you know what I mean? And I'm now looking at him like, can you stop? You're gonna make my new nigga mad. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? After that, I said, fuck that nigga. Like, yo, then I had beef. I even stopped greeting when I would run into him in the streets. I was just like, no, you full of nonsense. Why are you doing that? Do you know what I mean? Talking that ShopRite chick is in front of my new dude. My new dude is already upset about the tattoo. I've already got an appointment this coming week to cover it. And you busy there at the garage, at the till. Just, yeah. Why didn't you get my name tattooed with me together? I also want my name I said, shut up. Like, yo. I didn't even know what to do. I was just there looking at him like, can you not? Like, can you not do that? Why are you doing that? You're being unnecessary. Do you know what I mean? Like, you're gonna make my new nigga. Honestly, like, why are you doing that? Because I'm not like a weird person. Like, if I ever have to see a nigga that I've ever been with out and he's with like a new honey, I'm never gonna make it clear that like we've been together. I'll greet you like you're my boy. Like, I'll greet you like I don't even know you. Like, hey, what's up? Do you know what I mean? I'm never gonna come and make it clear. So now, new homeboy's like, were you ever with him? I said, ish, just don't ask me shit. I'm sorry. Like, do you know what I mean? No, why would he do that in front of the nigga? Because he's fucking cooked, guys. I fucking told you this nigga's cooked. All niggas are cooked. Or any nigga I've been with, just know his brain is fucking cooked. He's fried. He's crazy. You know what I mean? This distance was normal, at least. But I was just like, ish, you know? Because like I said, we'd spoken about it in the week where he was like, I see SHA on your face. Did you get your own name tattooed on your face? I said, no. He said, let me see. I said, no. I said, let me see. And then he said, yo, Shamisa, I actually can't believe this. You think this is nice to look at? When I wake up next to you in the morning, you think this is nice to look at? I said, ish, fuck. So I said, okay, you know what? I need to. I was like, okay, whatever. Then, yeah, I didn't really care too much because it was still new. Then I bump into allegedly, and then he's talking about the tattoo. I'm like, yeah, now I need to cover it up. Because now you're making the nigga mad. Yo, that nigga was fuming. I was just like, I'm sorry. Yo, what happened with this distance? I can't get into it because it would be very incriminating. Not for me, for him. Anyway. So yeah, it was actually a crazy ass, yeah, it was just crazy. You know what I mean? Like, what the hell? Okay, my hangover is like kind of going away. I don't know what just brought me alive, but something did, you know. But damn, Angiko writes, oh, hello there. Sorry. This is how I know I'm getting cooked. Like, when everything seems funny, but it's the only way that I can stay alive. 20 minutes. Yo. It's the song. Maybe it is a song. Maybe it is a song. Shout out to Alex. Where, yeah, I'm glad you picked up what I'm putting down. So high, you'll go back down low. I'm dead. I'm dead. Anyway, guys, how's the weather? Honestly, I haven't been to the zoo in a while. It would be really nice to go back. You know what I'm saying? What is your favorite season, guys? What's your favorite color? Like, Alex. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to take a tequila with me. You've been running from me since earlier. You've been running from it since earlier. We're gonna order. We're gonna eat it. They communicating. The couples are communicating. The babies are administration. Yo. Into the sea since August. But you know why you're asking these questions. You know I'm asking these questions. I need to check, right? Do you know what I mean? Alex, please. Honestly. He's killing me. Yeah. Oh, then you'll come back. Yeah, I'll be here. Oh, okay, I'll be here. You? No, it's gonna come here. So we're gonna, yeah.
So it's gonna come here.
Yeah.
Okay, so when it comes here, just let me know.
Okay, chef, I'll text you.
Because I'm just gonna be here.
Okay. Hi, Speedster. Long time no see. I really like this song, by the way. You did good. I love it. Up and away. Yeah. I just want to hear the song and then I'm gonna go back outside. Ariana, what are you doing here? Honestly, what are you doing here? Like, aren't you supposed to be making people freestyle? Get a room, guys. Evana, vele litlezi man. Now I don't know what to say. Guys, honestly, I asked you guys, what's your favorite color? As trick as the zoo. The zoo. Vele litlezi man. I. Hi. What is happening right now? What is happening right now? You guys are actually cooked, and I'm too cooked for this. Do you know what I mean? Like, you guys are playing mind games with me right now. Like, what is going on? Yo. Honestly, some elephants. Yeah, honestly, me too. I want to go to the zoo. On a crossover episode. Jesus. Literally the ultimate crossover episode. Olivia Pope and what's her name? Annalise Keating. You know what I mean? Those type of vibes. You understand? I really don't know what to say. Whew. Okay, wait. Is he gone? Please, like, don't ever fucking do that again. What the hell are you fucking doing here? Yo! Like, I don't even know what to do with myself. Yo! Sorry, everything is making me laugh right now. Jesus. Yeah, that was a bit crazy. But anyways, everything's back to normal. I am blushing. That's why I'm embarrassed. Like, my stomach literally feels tight. Like, we're quite gossiping. Even I'm nervous. Like, first of all, what are you doing here? Second of all, why are you even making your presence known in front of me and my friends? Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm with my homies right now. Why are you here? Like, and then also, like, yeah, why are you here? So it's just weird. You know when you, like, aren't used to, like, you know when you, like, used to being around someone because you're around them all the time, but you still get, like, excited. You know what I mean? Like, even when you're on the way to see them, you checking your ETA on the Uber. Do you know what I mean? Like, and you still get nervous and you still are like, yo, I can't wait to get there. Like, fuck, how far are we? Like, why is there traffic? Every fucking robot annoys the fuck out of me when it's red. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a very strange feeling. Are we sure that the coast said eyes, I died? Like, what are the eyes for? What are you saying to me right now? Am I misbehaving? Or are you just saying hi? Like, where are they playing music from? Alex! He's gone. Where is he playing music from? I want to play Take It Easy. Fuck. You should come and see me for the evening. Yes, we get it. Yeah, you know, like I said, when you just, like, when you're in the car and you're like, yo, it's far, but, like, damn, and then you get there and, like, you're happy, like, what the fuck? It's, like, almost 10, and I'm, like, looking at the time, and I'm like, what the actual fuck? I'm, like, looking at the time, and it's, like, what the actual fuck? And I'm, like, I've seen you every single day since we started. But besides when, like, I'm out of town or you're out of town, whatever. But it's like, why does it... Did you just wake up? Do I look like that? Knocked in with my cousins to come. We get and we love him. Ish. No need. I'm just trying to keep it 100. I already got need to relax. Fat ass gotta park it. This lighting is so much better, but like, am I gonna be able to charge my phone here? I don't need no stress. When you lonely, send a text. And you always gonna be with me like the tattoos on my flesh. You know I don't need no stress. When you lonely, send a text. Like, hey, she's alive, I'm alive. Yo, maybe this is the music. Maybe this is the music. Ish, Alex, he knew I needed something. Like, check out now, cause you see. Ugh. Honestly. No, but I mean, Alex is even saying I'm going home to change. Like, he's definitely, we can't bail. Like, so I hope that motherfucker is ready to do what we need to do. I mean, I was wearing a Nike jacket, but these are my shoes. Fat ass gotta park it. Surely if he's just shuffling this music, Take It Easy will come on, right? Alex's timing is crazy too. Yeah, for sure. But we outside. I don't need no stress. When you lonely, send a text. Always gonna be with me like the tattoos on my flesh. You know I don't need no stress. Why is it unclear again? This is actually wrong. Actually gonna have to block some people, I won't lie. Okay, maybe not some, but oh. Okay, maybe this one. Ariana. Yeah, I think you just need to start saying Ariana. Ay, man. Yo, Yo, no. What type of spooky shit is that? Talking about ghosts now. Like, are we clear? Yo, Ariana, what are you doing here? Like, dude. Like, and at the time we were at a restaurant together, and he goes there a lot, and they played the song, and I'm like, are you trying to fuck with me? Like, why are you playing that song? Like, yo. But then why are you awkward? Ariana, what are you doing here? Yeah. Should Mama get on the other side? You know? Ariana, no. I'm actually going to block you. I'm going to have to start hiding my stories when I go live. But this is all very awkward. Like, oh, wait. Like... I don't know if you put lip gloss. No, man, guys. You know I usually have my pink and red look, but now... Why is it awkward? Why would it not be awkward? My ex and my current are on the same goddamn track. Like, I got jammed to this shit. Why is Ariana in and out of this live specifically? You must be bored at work. I cooked, Chubby, and it's okay. Nah, I'm actually cooked. Like, what the fuck is happening? He actually disrupted my whole flow, dude. I was here sulking, feeling bad for myself, being hungover, complaining. Like, fuck. Now I'm alive. Now I'm blushing. Now I'm awkward. Now I'm wondering what the hell? A scheme that Todd set up. It was definitely a scheme that Todd set up to come tell you with the bullshit. Like, what the fuck? I'm even sweating now. Ariana was here. Damn it, I need to be involved. Yeah, Ariana was here. I don't know why. And Ariana was busy commenting. I'll let you be my friend. I thought I wouldn't friend. I came from selling brands. All we say them takes a friend. Selling no retweets, I'm selling Instagrams. Foreign job beast, pull up in a van. I made the kids touching both. I had no advance. We chose 69 when we couldn't hammer nines. 1,000, 2,000, never seven sides. Nobody started on the couch. Now it's inside. We cooked. Aye, we cooked him. Ariana, what the Ariana was here. Please, I missed out. Why do I still know all these songs? You can't be here for free. Honestly, you guys need to start paying me for this shit. Honestly, what the fuck is happening? I'm gonna say, when I don't ever come into my lives again, don't ever comment again. I'm busy here spilling all the secrets, and you now what joy now? What? How am I gonna gossip about you in peace? I love Anele Zondo's verse on this song. You misunderstand. Honestly, Ariana, but what are you doing here? You guys, before you scream, see Ariana made you dance. Halala. Yeah, shout out Ariana. You just have a special way to make me come alive. You know what I mean? That's actually one of the first questions my mom asked me. She said, how does Ariana make you feel? I said, alive. You know? But it's weird. Ew. Love you too. Ari must understand. No, Ari. We keep going from different nicknames. First it was allegedly, then it was my stuff. Now it's Ariana. But people who weren't on this live are not gonna understand, you know, why we have a new nickname. Sweet tea only for the ingredients to walk in. Like, Jesus, like, why? 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 Like, why? Because that never happens, literally. Like, I don't even, yeah, anyway. I think you just missed me, shame. Can take it, easy play, fuck. I love Ariana Villa. Ariana should come back. Was I allowed to do what? Yo, Ariana, you casa me just a little bit. He's still going to the gig. It's not happening anymore, but we have to go out and drink now. Alex has even gone home to change. Ariana's the funniest name you've come up with. No, definitely. I think we have to stick to Ariana. The ones in the action was the exact same. Oh yeah, it did happen, but then my phone was overheating. I remember it happened where I think he we were trending, so he put a laughing face and eyes, and I was like, what are you doing here? Ari isn't sus, so let's stick to it. Yeah, I mean, allegedly and my stuff. No, Ariana is perfect. That is the new name, guys. Ariana. Don't come at me with some allegedly and my stuff. It's Ariana. I just want to take it easy to play. And when it plays, I'm going to lose my mind. That is like my favorite song right now. You should come and see me for the evening. And Flame was actually there yesterday. I said to him, dude, you cooked on that verse. Like, yo. Ari, it is. Honestly, I hope you're doing well. I haven't seen you in years long. Which nigga? What are we talking about? Which nigga? Because my phone shut down. Like, he had commented and then I responded saying, oh, I haven't seen you in a while. Oh, I said long time no see. Wait, did he comment that? Because I didn't see that part. Like, literally after I spoke, my phone switched off and I had to put it in the fucking fridge. I haven't seen you in years. What? Like, I do listen to it every day. Who's controlling the playlist? I don't know, but it's playing. We should be gifting truly. Ari said that when he joined. What? I did not see that. Also, the other day, the song is called Take It Easy. It's Frank Casino, Flame, Ben September, and K-Keed. The other day, we were out, and I was sitting with, like, my legs in between Ariana's legs. And we actually bumped into Pearl Tuesday, and she's like, am I the only person that didn't know you guys were dating? I said, we're not dating. She's like, look at how you're sitting. He's like, she's just cold. And his friend was even like, I love the dedication you guys have to denying this shit. Like, what the fuck? And we're like, no, but honestly, I'm just cold. I was like, I don't even know this guy. I actually only met him today. Do you know what I mean? She was just like, you guys are trying to gaslight me. Fuck off. You know? But truly, what the hell? Are you in the pronoun he's playing me? So must we say she even? Or they? I say they. I don't like to even say the word he. It's like, it's just too much confirmation. I've always said they. You know what I mean? Like, or some shit like that. Like, you know? Ariana's songs were playing You Ain't Wild. Win. Without the beer. Without any. And old fuck ass niggas are hitting me up. Not old as in old in age. Old as in old. Talking about, I hope you could. I see you've been gigging lately. Get the fuck off my phone. Like, I'm Ari being non-binary. Ari is non-binary for sure. Smash confirmation, so real. Yes, let's say she or they. No, honestly, saying he makes me sick. Like, ugh. Gaslighting the fuck out of everybody until they learn to mind it. We gaslight everybody. Everyone. He's like, huh? What do you mean? We homies. We barely even know each other. What are you talking about? You know? What song is that? I want Take It Easy to play. Can they open the fucking iPad so I can control the shit? boost of energy you have right now needs to be studied. See me for the evening, or you could just pull up for the weekend. Got me feeling you the baddest girl I've probably seen, yeah. Girl, believe me, cannot catch no feelings. Take it easy. Baby, you should come over. I ain't doing none tonight. I'm just posted at the crib with my dog. I'm trying to lay down the pipe, girl. I'm trying to... Yo. Instead I'm here, I feel like a... So behind us a newbie. Yo, young rich man. So I'm saying, God, you're a queen. I know you might have some plans, girl. Cancel all of. Get inside your water, hit the. You should come and see me for the evening, or you could just pull up for the weekend. Got me feeling you the baddest girl I've probably seen, yeah. Yo! Do you understand? Like, Flame is really saying, bitch, you the baddest girl I've probably seen. I don't like the probably because it's like, are you doubting? But you the baddest girl I've probably seen, yeah. Hi. Should I just listen to this song with you guys? No, guys, sorry, I need to start running. Like, guys, this is what happiness looks like. Being in a restaurant by yourself, listening to your favorite song. Who's the DJ? I don't know. I don't know whose song this is. Welcome to my room in your new costume. Another good reason you should come and see me for the evening, or you could just pull up for the weekend. You got me feeling you the baddest girl I've probably seen, yeah. Take it easy. What time is it? Ooh. Like, I love it. This restaurant is mine right now. I see you when I'm dreaming. So I stay up all night, I'm sleepless. Even cake you cook. Dude, Flame. He put his whole flamussy in the song. You're my twin. Come catch this vibe. I'm throwing 258. I think about you. Okay, I have no idea where Alex is playing from, and that really upsets me because I can't even start the song again. So I just have to enjoy this moment and let it go. He said you cannot see me because you celibate, so I fucked around and fucked your friend for the hell of it. And I did it for attention because you're arrogant. So maybe once you understand, we could try again. It's difficult to meet you halfway when you distant. I've been building up my kingdom so we could get rich. You ain't got no engine. When you jigs it, damn. Ariana, what is happening right now? I'm actually so cooked, yo. Alex, what were you playing from? I need to start that song again. Like, damn. Take it easy. No, man. Shout out to everybody involved. No, but Ariana, genuinely, like, what are you doing here? Yeah, nah. Yo, that song makes me so happy. It's literally my favorite song right now. Like, yo, it's just perfect. Okay, key, does it start? Don't ask me shit, man. Shout out to everyone for real. Honestly, like, it's just a good song. Yo, Ariana, ish. Anyway, so yeah, shout out to everyone involved. Honestly, as someone who is on radio and TV, I like to be very in the know about local tracks and all of that stuff. So shout out to whoever's involved in that song. No. Can you guys not be weird? Can we talk about like normal shit? MSP, please. I'm catching a vibe. Alex is gone. That's the thing, and I don't know what he's playing from. Like I looked at what was there, and I don't know what's. You understand? So, yeah. Ish, I forgot my jewelry. The weather outside, the weather is great. I love summertime. I personally, love summertime. And I feel like I should have been born in summer. I don't understand why I was born in winter because my personality is very summer. Yeah, okay, Ariana. I think Ariana's gone. Ish. Honestly, yo, You asked for MSP? Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah. Actually, not. Alex is a G. He's not even here, but shout out to him for putting it. Oh, here he is. Ish. Bye-bye, guys. Hi. Love having seen you. Anyway, I wanted to say goodbye properly. Guys, when I die, all I want you guys to remember is that my lives were fucking legendary. I don't give a fuck about anything else, really. Shout out to me, you know what I mean? Shout out to me, youngest presenter in V Entertainment, SAFTA winner, MTV bass VJ, YFM presenter, reality TV. Do you know what I mean? That's all great, but I want you to remember that my lives were fucking iconic. That's what I want you to remember. That's all I want. Is Ari around? Ari just went to the car, but Ari is coming back. So, and Ari is just as hungover and exhausted as me. Ari is crashing. I thought Ari was okay, but definitely legendary. Dude. Like, my lives are fucking insane. Like, what was that? Now that I'm trying to be relaxed, what the fuck was that? Yo, you know what I mean? So, like, how I know Ari is definitely feeling the hangover. She said, fuck, this music is loud. Can you turn this shit off, please? I'm like, that's your shit. You know what I mean? Like, what do you mean? But yeah, hangover is kicking ass, and I still now need to tell Ari that we do need to go out because we promised someone a night out. So, yeah, I just wanted to say goodbye properly. Let me see. Let me sit and wait for Ari to come back.